Are you looking for the best electric scooters under $300? Finding reliable electric scooters under $300 requires focusing on entry-level commuter staples known for safety, durability, and standard portability. The top 5 models in this budget range are. In this video we will look at some of the best electric scooters under $300 on the market. Before we get started with our video. Number 1. Gotrax Electric Scooter. Experience a smooth, cushioned ride from the 8.5-inch front pneumatic tire, while the rear solid tire guarantees zero flats and requires absolutely no maintenance for long-lasting reliability. Powered by a 36V 5.2Ah battery, this electric scooter can travel 9 to 12 miles on a single charge under optimum conditions, allowing for longer rides with fewer stops to recharge. Featuring premium, long-cycle cells and an advanced BMS, this 36V 5.2Ah battery delivers extended range, up to 12 miles, fast 4 to 5 hour recharge, and reliable safety for a high-performance ride. The electric scooter for adults can conquer inclines and rough terrain effortlessly with a robust 250W motor, delivering strong acceleration and a 10% climbing capability. This adult's electric scooter only weighs just 33 pounds and folding to 40 inches by 16 inches by 18 inches, it's easy to carry and store at home, work, or on the go. Great for campus and short-distance commute. Number 2. NIU 100P Electric Scooter. The NIU 100P features a robust 300W motor, delivering a top speed of 17.4 miles per hour with a max power output of 600W, making it ideal for urban commutes and hill climbs up to 15%. The 18-mile range ensures you can cover longer distances on a single charge. With 36mm dual-stroke suspension, the NIU 100P offers exceptional shock absorption capabilities, perfect for varied terrain. Whether rocky trails, cobblestone streets, or off-road paths, NIU 100P ensures a comfortable and controlled ride by minimizing vibrations and bumps. Experience safe and reliable braking with the front drum brake and rear regenerative braking system. This combination ensures quick stops and energy recovery, enhancing both safety and efficiency during your ride. The 100P features a 2-step easy folding mechanism, allowing you to fold and unfold the scooter in seconds. This portable design makes it perfect for commuters who need to carry their scooter on public transport or store it in tight spaces. Maximize your ride with smart features like Bluetooth connectivity and the NIU app. Customize your speed mode, unlock your scooter remotely, and set battery charge limits all from your smartphone. The 100P comes equipped with 9.5-foot pneumatic tube tires that offer a smooth and stable ride, effectively absorbing shocks on uneven terrain. Weighing only 38.1 pounds, this scooter is lightweight yet durable, supporting riders up to 265 pounds. Number 3. MEGAWHEELS Electric Scooter. Enjoy superior comfort on every trip with a dual front suspension and responsive spring system. Whether you're commuting on busy streets or gliding over uneven paths, this electric scooter ensures a stable and cushioned riding experience. Stay connected and in charge with the companion app. From anti-theft lock and ride tracking to speed adjustment and real-time diagnostics, you can personalize your scooter settings and monitor every ride with ease. Equipped with a 300W motor, this e-scooter delivers fast acceleration and a top speed of 15 miles per hour. The 7,500 mAh battery supports rides up to 11 miles, making it a practical choice for everyday commuting or weekend adventures. Ride confidently with auto-on headlights, bright rear lights, and a responsive dual brake system combining drum and electronic braking. Enhanced visibility and reliable stopping power keep you safe in traffic or dark conditions. The 8.5-inch solid tires are designed to handle up to 220 lbs while resisting flats. Built from industrial-grade materials, these wheels reduce maintenance and deliver consistent traction for smooth, worry-free rides. Number 4. MEGAWHEELS Electric Scooter. This adult electric scooter for adults delivers up to 19 miles per charge with a 10.2Ah battery. Meet the needs of daily commuting and short-distance travel. With a 350W brushless motor and 10-inch pneumatic tires, this scooter for adults hits speeds up to 15.5 miles per hour and climbs 15% grades easily. Perfect for city streets, the e-scooter offers excellent traction and a stable ride. This electric scooter for adults includes an automatic headlight and rear light, automatically turns on in the dark, keeping you visible during nighttime or low-light rides. A front drum and rear electronic braking enables the electric scooter to brake quickly in an emergency. Travel safety always comes first. 3 speeds, 3.7, 9.3, 19 miles per hour, can be adjusted by switch, and APP.IT also provides personalized functions such as cruise control, electronic lock, and fault detection, making the use of foldable electric scooter more convenient. Number 5. Hiboy S2 Electric Scooter. The 350W electric brushless hub motor allows for speeds up to 18 miles per hour, high-capacity battery with a max travel range of up to 17 miles under specific conditions. And our product has passed stringent UL 2272 testing. Testing lab name, SGS. Extremely smooth when accelerating and turning, Hiboy electric scooters have been made solid in durable quality with solid tires and whole frame. Hiboy e-Scooter S2 are made with front, middle and rear 3 lights. And double braking system features a disc braking and EABS regenerative anti-lock braking. Simply pair Hiboy electric scooter via Bluetooth and use the app to lock your scooter, to view riding statistics such as battery life. It works with both iPhones and Android smartphones. Hiboy e-Scooter collapses for easy storage in car trunks and closets, beneath subway seats, and inside other compact spaces. Extra detachable scooter seat is available for more comfortable option.